playoff, second game. Tayo.
May pito rin ako.
Please,
Tangin na, ang tinis nun ah.
Celestial Dragons.
Sir, yung paano man yung ano, yung mga motor papasok na yung putik.
Pasuyo lang. Teka lang Pasuyo mo yung mga motor dito sa may pati mo yung sa akin.
Saan siya papasok?
Hindi, yun lang,
Ay, di.
yung puti na yung sasakyan, yun yung papasok pa rin sa loob. Yung mga
Ay, dito. Yung mga motor, papasok lang yung sasakyan. Yung SUV. Patabi lang. Papasok dito sa sa tabi ng blue. Oo. Nasa likod. Walang mayari ng motor. Baka ipataw nila dyan, guys. Pasok nila lang.
yung mga motor na nasa likod ng standard, yung puti.
Yung mga motor nasa ng expander. Likod. Ilalagay kasi yun. Papasok lang yung
Expander din.
No.
expander din. Papasok yung puti. Ayan. Pasuyo lang. Yan ang rep
Sabi kasi dyan pa pwestohin. Ano rin, baliw din ito mga...
Okay. Okay. White ball. Wala ng Celestial Dragons. So good.
Si Carl. Pura. 2 points. JJ.
Kanina yun.
JJ.
2 points.
Embasa.
31.
Ah.
Lolo ko.
Ano to yun?
Number nun.
For 3 points. Number?
11.
Points.
Ano number?
Di nakascore.
Wala. Number, medyo malabo yung mga
Ayun,
number.
tres.
Pero sige lang. Number 2 for 3. Hindi pala. No good. Number 2. 2 points. No good. Rebound by Spartero. Spartero for 2. No good. Rebound once again. Number 2. Na may kasama pa.
21.
Ha?
21.
21.
Number 21.
31?
21.
21. Number 2.
Pinangin na. Uy, bola! Ay.
Ano pangalan nun?
Malam.
Number 2.
21.
It's
Ay,
good.
number 2. Okay, yung okay.
Score po natin is 5-3. Okay. In favor of Storm Dragon. Blaze Dragons. Number 1. Number 1. Deflected. Nakakuha pa rin yung number 1. For 3. No good. Rebound by Spartero. Pass to Morcillos. Morcillos. Dribbling the ball. Papasahan. Pass to Spartero. Spartero to over. No good. Rebound by number 15. 15. No good. Rebound by. Ano number nitong number? It's 2 points. All 5.
Pre, ano yun?
Number
Penalty.
0.
Doon. Penalty yan, no? May penalty sa points.
Saan
Kasi
ang
tinan mo.
penalty?
Mamaya, basta
Sige,
take
sige.
note mo.
For 3. It's good. 3 points. Ano by Morcillos. 8-5 po. Blaze Dragons. Sa alamang number 5. 5. Layok. Layok number 0. And it's a traveling. Sabi ni Rep. 8 minutes and 25 seconds. Time remaining for the
Second
first
quarter na natin i-add.
Sige, sabihin natin. 8-5 ang ating score.
Morcillos ba yun naka-tres?
Oo.
Morcillos. Pass to Oker. Oker, dumiretso. It's a 2
Puta,
points.
grabe.
10-5.
Oker.
Oker. Number 2.
Okay.
Layog.
Number 2.
Layog, dumiretso. It's a 2 points. 10-7.
Number, di ko kilala kasi mga kapre.
Hindi.
Number,
Nakalagay yung pangalan, di ba?
Number 5,
Okay.
Layog. 5 Layog, 2 points. Oker. Dribbling the ball. 15 to shoot. And no good. Rebound by number 1. Number 1, pass to number 0. 0.
Zero.
0 Dumiretso. It's 2 points. 10-9 ang ating score. 10-9 in favor of Blaze Dragons. Okay.
Diyan ka na.
Number
Diyan ka na.
Number 2.
Yung points na lang. Yung points na lang. Yung number lang ba sa'yo, Nicole?
Pass to number... Teka, number rin yun ah. Number 2, okay. Pura. Pass to number 31, no good. Nakakuha ni number 1 yan. Number 1, dribbling the ball. Number 1, stop and shot. It's no good. Rebound by. Okay, it's kabila. Blaze Dragons ball. 8 minutes and 33 seconds remaining for the first quarter. 10-9 ang ating score. In favor of Blaze Dragons. 1 point kailangan. Okay. Number 2. Okay. Okay, for 2. It's no good. Rebound by number 0. Once again.
Alam mo?
Okay. Steal by Oker. Pass to Spartero, number 10. Spartero to Oker. Oker. Pass to Morcillos to Oker. Oker. To number 31. No good. Rebound by number 0 na naman. Layog. Layog, diretso. Diretso is no good. Rebound by Layog. Layog. Layog for 2, wala pa rin. Rebound by number 1. Pass to number 7. Number 1, no good. Nakuha number 31. 6 minutes. Nakakuha naman yung number 1 yan. Number 1. Number 1 and a foul. Foul. It's foul po tayo. 5 minutes and 45 seconds. Score natin 10-9 in favor of Blaze Dragons. Number 21, maglalabas ng bola. Pass to number 1. Number 1. Pass to number 15. Number 15 for 2. It's good shot. 11. 15. Number 15.
15 pa.
11.
2 points lang. 2 points lang.
Okay. Number 2, to Morcillos. Morcillos to Pura. Nakakuha number 21. Number 21. Matakbo. Pass to number 0. Pass to number 1. Number 15. Nasa ilalim. Another one. Wala. Nakuha ni number 31 for the rebound. 5 minutes. Okay. Okay for 2. It's good. 12-11 ating score. 4 minutes. 58
Number 2
seconds.
pare, okay.
Number 21. 21 to 0. 0. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. It's 2 points. Committed by number 1. 13-12. Palitan lang po ng kalamangan.
Number nakascore.
What? Number 1. Marcelius, no goal. Rebound by Layog. Layog, number 5. Layog to number 21. Tumira ng 3. It's good!
Bantayan niyo yun, tol.
3 points. Sabrep, pagka ano? 21. It's a foul. Tayo dyan. Isa.
Second team foul lang.
The second team foul. 4 minutes and 4 seconds.
Hey! Sila!
Prep. Nakasabi lang ha. Prep.
2:15 warning for technical. Note mo lang pre. 2 tsaka 15.
Bro, alam mo na. Alam mo ang gagawin. Technical tayo ha. Number 15 tsaka number 2. Ano muna tayo? Bro, technical number 2.
Number 2 tsaka 15. Pareha sila. Warning to ha.
Oo. Ano muna tayo, ha? Official score, 12-16. Time remaining 4 minutes and 4 seconds. Technical tayo, number 2. Okay. Sab? Sabi? Sab break? Okay, mamaya. After ano? Technical free throws.
Labas
Kaya.
yung muna yung isa.
Hindi, pareho po.
Parehas, labas.
Pareho.
Parehas pa labas, dapat.
Shoot nyo muna.
Okay. Ayan. Sige, game.
Oh pare, wag. Sayang tol, sayang.
Short lang.
Naka-warning kayo ha. Saluhin nyo na lang din tol.
Okay, rebound na naman 0. Kaya na kaya ito. Okay? So, Layog for 2, no good. Rebound pa rin ni Layog yan. Alam pa rin, rebound by number 31. Marcinius, pass to Oker. Oker, it's a turnover. Same ball? Sub-break? Sub-break? Okay, sub. Pasok ka papasok, labas kang lalabas. Time remaining 3 minutes and 35 seconds for the first quarter.
Ker, kalma kayo.
Playoffs. Pura, lalabas ng bola. Pura, pass to Oker. Pass to number 11. To Balba for 3. And 3 points for Balba. 15-16. May cheer. Number 0, no good. Nakakuha yung number 11. Number 11, pass to Oker. And it's a turnover. Bola ng Celestial. White ball. Kaya. Time remaining 3 minutes. Exacto. White ball. Okay. Official score, 15-16. Ewan pa rin ng Celestial Dragons. Number 1. Nakuha ni Pura yan. Pura, pass to Oker. Oker, walaksak. No good. Rebound by number 21. Number 21, pass to number 1. Number 1, it's 2 points. Committed
Points number 1
1.
idol ah.
18-15.
Haha.
Kanyang number yan. Bakit iba yung number 1 dito? Walang number 1 dito. Iba yung ayos. Wala ka sa ano.
Walang number 1 dito.
Walang number 1 dito ah. Number 21. Ball. 21. Dribbling the ball. 0. Pass to 15. Number 15 for 2 points. 20-15. 2 minutes and 3 seconds. Number 11. Oh. Dribbling the ball.
2 minutes.
Okay. Okay. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Pura, it's 2 points. 1 minute and 40 seconds. 17-20 ang ating score.
Sabihan mo rin yung rep tol, sabihan mo yung rep. Sila makapag-stop ng play.
Dribbling the ball. Number 1 to 15 to 0. 15 to shoot. And no good. Rebound by Balba. Number 11, dribbling the ball. 1 minute, 25 seconds. Number 11, to Pura, to Oker for 3. It's no good. Rebound by number 21. 1 minute and 19 seconds.
Tang inang ano, lamok.
Number 21, pass to number 0. 0 to 15. 15, no good. Rebound by. Layo.
Sab rep.
1 minute and 5 seconds. Yung number 1, walang number 1 dito. Saan yung score mo? Hindi na ayos eh. Pangalan? Longgana. Sige, okay na. Longgana.
Number 1.
Number 100 nakalagay kasi. Ayan, number 1. Number 15, 19, no good. Number 1, Olonga Knights, 2 points. 22-17.
Tinawag pa kasi ni ano eh, Botter eh.
Sayang score niya.
50 seconds. Carlo to Balba. Balba to Cortina. It's good. 2 points, 44 seconds. 19-22.
Panindigan mo, Adrian!
Number 5, Layo. Layo. Sa ilalim. Counted. Na may kasamang foul yun.
19.
5. Ang foul is ano? 19.
Adrian.
Layo.
Second team foul.
In 5. Rebound by Cortina. 33 seconds. Nakuha ni Layo.
Huwag ka na magdala kasi!
Layog! No good. Nakuha pa rin ni Layog yan. Another one. Another points na may kasamang pang-foul.
Uy! Yan.
17
Sabi mo kay
seconds
Adrian, huwag
remaining
siya
for the
magdala.
first quarter.
Ilang seconds?
17
17 seconds.
Score natin 19-24. No good. Ligo by Longgana. Longgana. Pass to. Layog. Layog for 2. It's good! .15 10 to shoot. 10 seconds remaining. Balba. 5 seconds remaining. 4, 3, 2. Explain ko lang may penalty po tayo. Addition 21-28 in favor of Celestial Dragons. Pito po ang kalamangan ng Celestials. Black ball. Black ball, black ball. Ano yun eh?
Yeah, dito lang sa tabi. Puka rin.
Manyo?
Tayo.
Ano to? Busy.
Black ball? Okay.
Mamaya, ganyan natin.
11. Ong. To Oker. Oker, pass to Ong. 15 to shoot. And 3 points by Oker. 24-28. Ito lang kalamangan. Number 4. Pass to number 18. No good. Nakakuha ni Oker. Okay. Diretso. Binigay kay Ong. Ong for 2. No good. Nakuha pa rin ni Oker. Ang bola. And another 3 points by Oker.
Daming fans!
27-28. 9 minutes and 15 seconds. Number 4. Pass to number 11. Number 0. Pass to number 4. Number 4 to... Ano to? Number 14 to to. No good. Number 31 for the rebound.
Rat-rat yan!
12. To Ong. Ong for 2. It's no good. And nakuha ni Ong. Binigay kay Balba.
Nice, Brenold!
Balba. 15 to shoot. Okay. Pass to Pedilo. No good. Nakuha ni number 18 yan. Number 18.
Puta na, steal!
Nakuha ni Ong. To Oker. Oker to Balba. Balba for 3. No good. Nakuha ni number 6. 4. Okay, check na natin. Number 6. Sorry, number 6. Oker for the rebound. Okay, pass to Ong. Ong. Nadala ng bola. Pass to Pedilo. 15 to shoot. Pedilo for 3, no good. Nasa ilalim pala si number 31.
Ako, 3 seconds.
Oker. Oker for 3, no good. Rebound by number 20. 23? 22. Okay. Pass to number 0. 0 for 3, no
Sino ba
good.
naglalaro?
Nakakuha ni Pedilo for the rebound. Pedilo.
Kinukulit ng bata.
7 minutes and 45 seconds. Number 11. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Oker. Oker. 15 to shoot. 3 points, no good. Rebound by 31. Back to the gilid. Oker to 31, no good. Nakuha ni Oker pa rin. It's 2 points. Lamang na ang Blaze Dragons once again. 29-28. 7 minutes and 15 seconds. Number 0. Nakuha ni 31. Back to Oker to 11. Ong. To Oker. Oker for 3. It's no good. Rebound by number 4. 6 minutes and 55 seconds. Number 0. 15 to shoot. And it's a foul. Committed by number 13, Balba. Sabrep. Okay, Sab. Pasok o papasok? Awas lalabas. 6 minutes and 35 seconds.
Uy,
13 foul.
ha?
Number 22.
Sabihin nyo sa rep.
Number 22 to number 4. Number 4 to number 6. 2 points. 30-29. Labang na po ulit ang Celestials. Pass to Oker. Pass to Pura. Pura for 3. It's good! 32-30. Dalawa lang kalamangan. By Blaze. Number 18. No good, no foul. It's good.
5 minutes timeout dun ah.
Time out for 5 minutes. Number 11. It's 2 points by Ong. 34-30. 4.
Number 11 yun ano, ter, pinakascore.
Number 11. Nakapasa. 5 minutes, 40 seconds. For the second quarter. Number 4.
Trash talk ka.
15 to shoot. Nakakuha. Pinilo. Pinilo for 2. It's no good. Nakuha ni Pura. 2 points for Pura. Time out na rin.
Dead ball.
Later. Okay. Time out. Celestial Dragons. Time remaining 5 minutes. Number 11. 11. Pass to Pura. Pura for 3. No good. Nakuha yung number 0. 0. Pass to Layog. Layog to number 1. Longgana. And 2 points. May kasama pang foul. Committed by Pura. First personal foul.
1. Yung number 1.
Hanggang shot. No good. Rebound by Layog. Layog for 2. It's good.
Ano mo, kain ka
2
lang.
points for Layog. 36-34. 4 minutes, 5 seconds. 36 all tayo. Pura. It's no good. Rebound by Layog again. Layog. All na pong score ha. It's all 36. All 36. Number 0. Grand foul pa. 2 points in a play grand foul. Committed by number 31. 31.
Unsponsored.
Unsport. Sponsor na. Foul po tayo.
I-guit mo sa nakafollow.
Sabrep, pag pumasok.
Number 31. 31.
Sabrep, pag pumasok. 0. It's so good.
Notan mo lang ng unspoil. Kasi pag susunod pre, upo yan.
With the second shot.
No.
It's so good. Ball possession din. Plus ball possession.
Oo. Counted yun?
3 minutes.
Walang pa yun. Throw out lang pag may isa pa.
Pag another one po, thrown out po.
Sino yung free throw? 0-0.
Hindi counted yun, di ba? Kasi pinag-free throw yung dalawa.
Plus
Tama?
ball possession po yun ha.
Counted daw? Counted daw.
Ako shot. Counted po yun. 38.
Counted, pumasok kasi.
38-36, dalawa kalamangan.
Hindi yung free throw, wala sa free throw.
Another 2 po. All good. Rebound by. Nakuha. Number 0. Pass to number 4 to number 1 to number 0. It's good. 3 points. Tara, di ba? 41, 36. 3 minutes and 35 seconds remaining. Carlo, paso number 31, no good. Rebound by Pura. Pura for another shot, no good. Rebound pa rin, yung number 31 na. 31 makes 2 points. 38-41. 3 minutes, 15 seconds. Number 1, dribbling the ball. Pass to 0. Number 1, pass to 0 once again. To number 6, to number 1. 1 to 0 for 3, no good. 3 minutes, 2 seconds.
Penalty tayo, rep.
Penalty.
Shooting foul din eh. Shooting foul din eh.
2 minutes. Running time to running time. Sub-rep down, sub-rep. It's good. Full shot. The second shot, no good. Dalawa pa daw. Another
Line violation.
in violation.
Line violation.
Line violation. Okay, another one. Sub down.
Wala pa yung referee.
Another shot. And it's good. Sub-rep. Yan.
Nag-line violation.
Official score, 44-38. Time remaining, 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Pasok. 44.
Yung sablay pre line violation yun. Kaya parang ulit.
Okay, number 11. Dribbling the ball. Ong, pass to Carlo. Florentino, pass back to Ong. Ong to offer. 15 to shoot. Bila to. Nakuha number 0. 0, pass to number 1. Number 1, pass to Layog. No good. Rebound by Layog once again. Another one, Layog. And a foul once again. Committed by
Uy, huwag niyo
number
pagsabayin si Tommy pati si Carlo. Malilit niyo.
Alberto na naman. 1 minute 30. Second quarter. Wait lang, rep.
Sabi lang kayo sa ref.
Pagwasok. Antay tayo sa rep. That's so good. First shot is not good. 44-38.
Wait lang kamo, wait lang. Hindi pa na shoot.
Second shot for Layo. Second shot is no good. Nakakuha pa rin ni Layo. Layo for the rebound. And pass to. It's a turnover. Sub-rep. Sub. Pasok papasok. Labas lalabas. 1 minute and 20 seconds remaining for the second quarter. Florentino. Pinasa sa number 0. Okay, 1 minute. And number 0, 2 points. 46-38.
Sub. Rep, injury sub.
Rep. Iba. Laba. Marcelius, 50 seconds. Number 19, no good. Rebound ulit. Number 19, another one. It's no
Laba
good.
to.
45 seconds remaining. Number 1. Kakuha ni Carlo. 35 seconds. No good. Rebound by number 0. Number 0, pass to Layo.
Paulinho!
30 seconds. Layo! It's 2 points. 25 seconds remaining for the second quarter. 48-38. 20 seconds. And a foul committed by number 1. Sabret! Pasok. Labas. 14 seconds remaining for the second quarter. Okay. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. End of the second quarter. Official score, 38-48. 10 kalamangan. Official score, 38-48 in favor of Celestial Dragons. Pagpalitan mo na. Sige. Number 1. Number 1 for 3. It's 3 points. 51-38. In favor of Celestial Dragons.
Ina,
13 pong
nagutom.
kalamangan. Okay. Okay, dribbling the ball. Okay. Pass to Marcelius. Dogo. Rebound by number 1. Number 1. Pass to number 21. 21. 21 for 3. Dogo. Rebound by Oker. 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 Dumiretso. Pass to number 31. It's good. 2 points. 40-51. 11 na lang ang kalamangan. Nahuli ni Pura. Steal by Pura. Pedilo. Pedilo. 15 to shoot. Okay. 10 to shoot. Pura for 3. Yes, good! 43-51 ang ating score in favor of Celestial pa rin. Number 1. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number 4. 4 to number 15. 15 sa ilalim. It's 2 points. 53-43. Sa pa rin ang kalamangan. Look natin. Poker. Pass to Pedilo. Pedilo. 15 to shoot. Okay. To Pura. 10 to shoot. Pura. Pass to Poker. It's a foul. Foul po tayo committed by number 4. Number 4.
May kasama pang
5.
foul.
Number 4. 8 minutes and 15 seconds remaining. First shot is good. Second shot. Second shot is good. So 45-53. 8 minutes remaining. Number 15. Pass to number 22. Number 22. 22 to number 21. Oh, good. Rebound by number 31. Okay. 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 Okay, for 2. No good. Rebound by number 15. Pass to number 4. Pass to number 1. Andun si 21. It's 2 points. 55-45. Balik sa 10. Ang kalamangan. 7 minutes and 25 seconds. Marcelius. Marcelius. Dumiretso sa gitna. No good. Rebound by number 4. 4 to number 22. Number 22 to number 15. 15. Number 15. No good. Nakuha ni Pura yan. Pura. Pura. Auto Oker. Oker. No good. Nakuha ni number 21. Number 21. 21. Nakuha ni Pura. Nakuha ni Pura. Pura to number 21. 2 points. 2 points is good. Official score, 57-45. Ano po ang kalamangan? Sabre? Mamaya. 6 minutes and 25 seconds. Pura. No good. Nakuha number 31 for the rebound. Number 31. It's good. 57-47. In favor of Celestial pa rin. 10 kalamangan pa rin tayo.
Sabihan mo yung rep.
Number 1. Number 1. For 3. It's no good. Rebound by Oker. Oker for the rebound. Oker. 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 Dumiretso na 2 points. 49-57. 5 minutes and 50 seconds. Number 4. And an out
Sub.
Sub, rep. Sub, rep. Okay. Pasok ang papasok. Labas ang lalabas. Time remaining 5 minutes and 30 5 seconds.
Edrin, balik mo si Edrin.
Okay, pass to Pura. Pura, no good. Rebound by number 4 once again. Number 4, nakuha yung number 21. Number 21. Number 21. Napapasahan. Number 21,
Brenol.
Tulayo, pero nakuha ni Walker yan. Okay, Demirecho, nakuha number 4.
Brenol.
And it's the same ball. 5 minutes, 5
Dito ka, dito ka,
seconds
dito ka.
for the third quarter.
Balik
Espartero.
mo si Edrin.
It's no good. Nakuha ni number 6 to number 4.
Si Edrin, ayun na si Edrin. Papasukan
Layo.
mo, palitan ka mo si Jan.
Lion, dribbling the ball. 15 to shoot. To number 4.
Kanino ka sa sub?
10 to shoot. Number 21 for 3, no good. Rebound by Espartero. Espartero to Pura. Pura, sumalaksak, binasa sa number 21. Number 21. Number 21, paso number 18. Number 18 for Turin, no good. Rebound by Pedino. Ay mo yun. Pedino, pass to Pura. Pura, it's 2 points.
Wala pang dead ball.
51, 57. Anim na lang kalamangan, mga kaibigan.
Si Daboy
4
tsaka si
minutes,
Jan yung
10
palitan niyo.
seconds. Number 6, dribbling the ball to number 4. Number 4. Number 4. To number 6. No go. Dribble by Espartero. Espartero. Pass to Oker. Oker to Pura. Pura. No good. That is a foul.
Sub rep, sub rep. Oh, wait lang. Oh, sub lang. Sabi lang
Foul
namin.
committed by number 4. Number 4. Pura. 2 shots. First shot. It's good. How about the second shot? Second shot is good. 57-53 in favor of Celestial. Pareho. Yes. Dalawa. First. Pareho. 3 minutes and 15 seconds for the third quarter. 21 for Turin. No good. Rebound by number 4. And it's a foul. Foul committed by pushing ball. Number 30. 1. Foul number 2. 11. Sorry. Sub rep. Sub. Pasok, papasok. Labas, pakalabas. Time remaining 2 minutes 45 seconds for the third quarter. Number 18. Pass to number 21. Number 21. Pass to 0. 15 to shoot. And
Relax lang.
wala yan. Tumal. Wala siya? Sab.
Wait lang, ano ba yung tawag? Antayin mo yung tawag ng rep. Ano yung tawag?
Saan lang yun? Ayan na lang yun.
Ilan na daw foul ni JJ?
31. Number 31? Tatlo.
Pangatlo yan. Ayaw na bumabagsak sa amin.
Siya? Kaya antayin natin yung rep kung ano ba.
Rep, common foul ba?
Correct.
Anong klaseng call yun?
At foul. Personal foul.
Personal foul
Personal
lang.
foul. May number.
Paras meron,
Oh.
second team foul.
Second team foul. Team. Number 15. First shot. First shot is no good.
Wag na Mark.
Second shot. Second shot. No good. Rebound by Okay. 2 minutes, 10 seconds. Nakakuha na number 21. Number 21, silang daw. Number 21. Magana po pasahan. 15 to shoot. 3 points, no good. Nakakuha pa rin number 15. Number 15. 15, pass to number 21. 21 to Layo. 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 No good. It's good, it's good. Ang tawag. Okay, okay. Pass to 11. No good. Rebound by number 15. Number 15. 1 minute and 25 seconds. Layo. Layo. It's 2 points. 59-53. 1 minute and 20 seconds. Tayo. Pura. 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 Pass to Cortina. Cortina. 15 to shoot. Nakakuha number 18. Kaso number 6. Number 6 to number 21. 21 to number 15. Go, go. 55 seconds. Okay. Okay for 3. No good. Rebound by number 18. 18. Rebound. Di ka gagawin. 18. Number 15 and... Alright. It's an offensive foul committed by number 15. 29 seconds. 29 seconds for the third quarter. 29. Okay. Paso number 31 to okay. It's a foul na may kasama pa. 2 points. Saan naman na yan? 17 seconds. 55-59.
Sino? Sino nga, sino?
Technical number 15.
Throw out na yun. Throw out na yun.
Wala.
Throw out na.
3
Out of
minutes
the game na
na.
nga.
3 minutes.
Out of the game na yun. Oo nga, out of the game na nga siya.
Out of the game. Out of the game number 15. Sorry boss. Medyo tayo pa naman muna.
Hindi pahinga pre, out of the game na yun.
17 seconds.
Oy,
Pahinga na. Next
Oy.
week na yung laro ulit.
hindi pahinga. Out of the game. Ha? Wejer, out of the game na. Dalawang technical out of the game na.
First shot is good.
Wala ano eh. Yung nga sinasabi ko, kay patron out eh. Kay JJ din, pati si ano, okay. Warning yan, dalawang yan.
56-59. Second shot is also good. 59-57. Dalawa na lang kalamangan. Celestial Dragons.
Kanina pa dapat yan eh. Tagal niya mag ano eh.
And it's good. 17 seconds. 15.
Ha? Apat nga yun eh. Ay, hindi, tatlo lang pala.
10.
Tapos isang counter.
5. 3 points. Going na number 21. And... it's the end of the third quarter.
Pre, imbis na mag-aim ka, tapakan mo na lang.
Jeff, papunta pa ako kanina.
Hindi, tapakan mo, huwag ka na mag-aim para di nakakalito.
And yun. And,
Kahit huwag mo na ganun, tapakan mo na lang yung buzzer.
and yun, number ano, tatlo. 3 points na ba?
3 points yun.
62. 58. Papasok siya. Official score 62-58 in favor of Celestial Dragons.
Na-count yun. Pumasok.
Pumasok ka doon. Oo nga naman. Kasi nag-2 points ka. Okay. 57,
Ano?
62.
Makampas ka dyan. Ano yun?
62-57 in favor of 62. In favor of Celestial pa rin naman.
57 ano?
62. Nabawasan ng isa.
Fourth quarter. Celestial Dragons versus Blaze Dragons. Official score 62-57 in favor of Celestial Dragons.
May pito.
5 minutes
Committee,
ang
may
ating,
pito.
ay, 5 points ang ating kalamangan.
Pwede to, pre. Habang nag-ano ko eh. Habang nagbibideo, tumatakbo. Dito ka.
Kupal ka talaga, boss.
Bola po ng
Isa ang napakalaking
Black Ball
kupal.
Blaze Dragons. Para pang may no? Dalawa. Still have 2 timeouts. Para pang may 2 timeouts ha. Ong. Pass to Edrin. Edrin for 2. 2 points. 59-62. Number 1. Dribbling the ball. Longgana. Longgana to number 21. Back to Longgana. Longgana to Layod. Muntik pa. It's Ong. Ong. Nakakuha ni number 1 pero bumalik kay Oker. Oker. Pass to Pura. Pura for Terwin. Let's go! All 62.
Ang dami naming fans.
All 62 na po.
Ang daming
Number
fans
1.
ng Blaze bigla.
Dribbling the ball. 15 to shoot. Up. Wait lang.
Oy, yung bola.
Sige muna mga kids. Okay, sige. Ako na ball game tayo. 8 minutes, 50 seconds. Number 1. Number 1. Pass to number 21. Number 21 for Turing. It's good! 65-62. Celestial pa rin. Pura for Turing. No good. Nakakuha ni Layog. Layog. Layog pa rin kahit sa double na po. Double na. Wala. Okay. 65-62. Okay. Science yun. Cortina. Wala. Nakakuha. Black by number 0. Number 1. Pass to number 0. Number 0 for Turin. No good. Out of bounds. Lahat. Okay. Cortina. Maglalabas. Pass to Ong. Time remaining 7 minutes and 50 seconds. Alayo-layo pa. Okay. 11. Pura to Cortina to Ong to number 1. Ako, asa number 1 din. Number 21. Number 0. Dribbling the ball. To number 21. Binalik kay number 0. Number 0. It's no good. Rebound by Ong. Number 11. Okay. 7 minutes, 15 seconds. It's a trouble. Number 5.
Warning mo, penalty ah.
Layog. Warning for penalty po tayo. Layog, nakakuha ni Layog. Layog to number 0. To number 1. To nakakuha ni Oker. Stop. Ano muna? Stop lang ko muna.
Technical pa ba yan? Technical pa ba yan?
Hatol, technical pareho. Blaze, number 31. And number 5, Layog. Relax lang. Time remaining 6 minutes and 39 seconds.
Dalawa ng technical no?
Dalawang technical na yan. 31.
Labas na sa game. Sino yung isa?
The 31 try out.
Number 5.
6 minutes, 39 seconds. Port na po tayo. Ah. Basta to.
Ano na yan, friend?
Ganito pa sila ng ano paningin ko. Hindi lang minsan ang sama namin. Ngayon magamit ang assistant natin. Tapos umama kayo sa kala lang. Tanggal na naman palis ko niya. Kanina, sugod niya siya eh. Wala lang umawat eh.
scooter. Pengi ako isang happy. Saya ka? Saya ka? Saan? Oh, masaya ako. Di ako naglalaro eh. Problema nila eh. Ano? Buti hindi ikaw. Gago, baka mapanot lalo. Oo na, personalan na puti.
May sa kakampiyan.
Time remaining 6 minutes and 39 seconds. Final.
Ano?
Number 15.
Ilang radyo?
Isa lang yung ano kanina, offensive. Okay. Isa lang, di ba? Yung offensive. 50 seconds lang. Ah, di ba? Offensive, sige.
Uy, sisiray pala.
Ay, niya kami dito.
Isa ay walang mainit.
Muna ako.
It's technical free to tayo.
Di kabilaan ba yan?
Official score 62-65 in favor of Celestial.
Ha?
Dito,
Ayaw nila?
ay kumain.